Oh, you're not even on the ball anymore. There it is. Oh! Did it roll away?
Bounce.
Wait, let Mason do it. Let him do it. That darn ball. Okay, here we go, Mason. There. Bounce. Whoa! Bounce! Silly. It's a tricky ball to sit on, isn't it? Colton, no. That's Mommy's.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.